shot at the garage.
One with the camo?
Yeah.
He's new. Showed up out of the blue maybe 2-3 weeks ago. Big son of a bitch. And this one's a little different. He watches. We're guessing he's the one that led the rest of these things to us, because they've been hitting us hard every night ever since, man. Gathering like roaches up at that hotel.
Where's that exactly?
Come on, Sam. We were just waiting for the inevitable here, right? Thing is, I made a decision. I do not want one of those things standing over me when I take my final breath. I may not be able to beat him, but I'm not gonna sit here and do nothing either.
Matter. What's the problem? We gotta go.
I ain't going anywhere. Chris got me. Friends for, right? Oh, man, come on.